What's up? This just arrived at my door via GoFo. I have no idea what's inside of here, but it feels like a belt. Maybe. It might be a belt. Um, did I even get an email about the YEEZY delivery even happening? I don't think so. Yeah, all I have is GoFo Express expected by Tuesday, December the 2nd. I got a tracking number, and that's it. I don't have anything from YEEZY saying exactly what is in here in my order. But if I look through my email, YEEZY, and I look at my order confirmations, I think there's a belt in there. So what order do I have with the belt? Let's see. Order. I think it might be a belt and pants. Oh, I got 2 pants in that order. I got the bag and the jacket in that one. I know I ordered the belt. Which one is it? BT and PT4? BT-01 and PT4? No, that's a size 2. Forget about it. All right, let's see what we got. Came in the GoFo packaging. Hopefully y'all can see that okay. In the same white bag that you get with all YEEZY orders. Let's go ahead and open this thing up, dude. Oh boy. Yeah, that's right. The belts did come in different sizes, did they? And yeah, PT4. So when did I order this? Let's see when I got that order confirmation. I think this is part of the orders where I didn't get the initial order confirmation because I used my debit card and not my credit card. I ordered this on, let's see. Ordered this on October the 16th. Today is November the 29th. So it took that long to get delivered. I did not get a initial shipping notification. I got my shipping notification last night, November 28th, but the shipping process started 10 days prior to today. So about the 19th is when the shipping process started. But I didn't get a notification in my email until yesterday, 10 days later. Where do we start, man? I kind of want to do separate reviews because I like to go in a little bit of a detail about this stuff. So I'm going to do a separate one for the pants. Let me find my measuring tape real quick. All right, I got measuring tape. Let's look at this BT-01. BT-01, and there's the tag right there. This thing looks pretty interesting, actually. So the loop, hopefully y'all can see it okay, but the loop appears to be, what is that, like folded in pleather material with a foam mid-layer. Yeah, pleather on the outside, pleather on the inside, pleather loop. It's stitched right here. That seems pretty strong, pretty durable. I don't think that's gonna break anytime soon. It's all covered in this thin plastic. And yeah, let's go ahead and undo this. Interesting. So how does this work? Oh, okay, there's like a Velcro on the end. You all see the Velcro okay? There's the Velcro. And at the very tip right there, it's also folded in on itself. Hold on, it's having a hard time focusing. Okay, so let's see how this works. Get the camera back to normal. Oh my goodness. Okay, I know the lighting's not the best in here. I'm sorry. Okay, I see now. I see. So here's the, like more of the fabric right there, and then you got the Velcro right here. And then they will just meet up. Focus, please. Focus, please. They will just meet up like so and stick together. There we go. Like that. Let's try this out. So I know I'm wearing my jacket right now. I just want to get a sense for how this fits. Oh, I gotta do it from like the outside, like that. Then pull it, and then like so. So initial thoughts. I think this is gonna fit me pretty well. Interesting how this kind of bulges out right here like this. But if I like do this, if I like make it crisscross, then maybe it'll look thinner. But there's a bit of a bulge right here. Velcro seems to be very strong. Interesting, dude. And I don't see a tag anywhere. I don't see like a separate tag. Usually with this stuff, you'll see a tag that would appear right below this loop section for like any normal belt, but there's no such thing here. I'm assuming this is made out of the same polyurethane material that the JC1 is made out of. Maybe. Let me grab the JC1 real quick. All right. So there's the JC1. Let's do a comparison of the materials real quick. It's like the JC1, just shinier. Hopefully you can see that okay. The JC1 is just a bit shinier. The belt is more matte. The belt feels harder because the JC1 is a single layer of that polyurethane. But I think because the BT-01 has the foam insert, it just feels harder. Yeah, there's a bit of a material comparison. I may do some B-roll shots to get a better view of the two because I know the lighting in here is not the best. How much did I even pay for this? I don't know. I think this is like $20. Yeah, I gotta like actually try this on. I think I got some denims or something I can put this on with, but maybe best to make a separate video for that. I mean, initial thoughts. I mean, it's a belt. It's definitely a belt. Wraps around nicely. Because of how thick this loop is, it kind of bulges out a little bit. But I mean, now that I think about it, I mean, most belts have a buckle on them. So I mean, I guess they would just bulge out anyway. Maybe that's not something I need to point out. Screw it. Let's go ahead and try this on with the pants I know this would work out with. All right, how about we do this? Here's some Aeropostale denims, size 34 waist. And these fit me a bit loose, and I need a belt for them. So maybe this is the perfect test. Aeropostale denims, YEEZY BT-01, and let's just see what it feels like. All right, so I got my Aeropostale denims on. They feel a bit loose, 34 waist. This is a size 2 YEEZY BT-01. And yeah, let's see how they fit in a real application. So I'm just gonna slide it, Velcro facing outwards. It's going through the loops of the pants perfectly fine. Maybe it is on the thicker side when it comes to belts, so it's a little bit snug going through these loops, but it is going through the loops. Then we're going to wrap it around the main loop right here. And I'm just going to meet these at where they are. And I'm not bothering putting the outer band through the loops. I'm just kind of having it sit on top of the loops of the pants. And I actually kind of like it. I can move it around a little bit if I need to. So this is just standard fitment. Do the pants go down? No, they are locked in right there. But they went down a bit, but they're locked in. So I can wear these and not worry about them falling down. I don't even know they're there. They don't feel like they're there at all. They're not bulging out much at all. It feels very natural wearing this belt. Now, if I want to tighten it up a bit, let's go ahead and do that. So let's undo the Velcro and go max tightness. So I'm going to pull up the pants a bit. I'm going to pull pretty hard until I feel the tightness right there. It looks like I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches of extra length on the belt when I pull it all the way. And then I can try to kind of like shimmy it over and snug it in a bit. Feels tighter, pull down. Yeah, it's locked up like in the upper waist now. And again, it doesn't feel like I'm really wearing it hardly at all. Now, if I was to do this in a business application, would it work for business? Maybe. Probably get some questions about it, like kind of looks plain. I mean, the buckle design looks pretty interesting. May get a couple of questions about it. It may not be the most formal belt to wear for work environments. I would maybe size down if you're going to do that. Again, I'm a 33 and a half, 34 waist, and I got the size 2. Let me make sure these things come in all the sizes, and it's not just one size. Let me confirm that real quick. All right, BT-01. Yeah, they come in 3 different sizes. So for 34 waist, you could get away with a size 1, probably. Size 3, I don't know exactly how different the sizes are, but for a size 2, I mean, you just saw, it'll keep it up on my waist. But for a size 3, you have 6 inches of extra rim right here if you go for a size 2 over a size 1. Probably, maybe, I don't know. But that's how much extra space I have pulling it tight. So like maybe I could do a size 1. I don't think I even measured this. Have I even measured this yet, Chai? Where's the measuring tape I got? I was just kind of so excited to like try it on and get the material comparison. So let's see, size 2 BT-01. What is the length? Measurement. Yeah, 51 inches on the dot. 51 inches on the dot for the BT-01 size 2. Is it a cool belt? Is it worth 20 bucks? I think the construction's pretty nice. Everything looks double layered. You got the foam mid layer right there. And I mean, yeah, it looks like they actually took their time on this thing. I mean, it's pretty dang cool, I would say. It's a different belt for sure. Definitely a different belt. Would I recommend it for 20 bucks? I mean, of course, why not? Go for it. You got a Yeezy belt. First belt I think Yeezy's ever made. Yeah, 100% go for it. How long would the Velcro last? That will come with time. I'll try to find an application to wear this for a 24-hour review and get my thoughts on it. Just see how the material holds up and if it stretches at all. I mean, I'm sure it's going to maybe stretch a little bit, but is it a cool belt? For sure, it's unique. It's different. It seems to be made to a quality standard too. And yeah, pretty sick. First Yeezy belt. So yeah, I mean that's all for this video. I gotta go ahead and record this PT-4 video. But thanks for watching as always, and yeah, more soon.